basic tips para maghanap or matuto sa isang teacher ng martial art. Hi, my name is Maestro Jaime Paterno de Laza. I'll give you advice on how you search for a new instructor if you're new in the martial arts. First of all, whenever you study under a master, when you are a beginner, you should absorb everything that he knows, because everything that he knows, he practiced, he studied under another master, and he perfected it through the years of practice. For a newbie, for a beginner, you should absorb everything he knows within years of you meeting the guy and practicing with him. That's what I did in my masters, Vicente Sanchez and Inocencio Blaraga and Tali Barciliano. Those are my three teachers that taught me how to move and how did I build the structure of my system today. Among others is an expansion of knowledge through my other colleagues, an instructor as well, and trading, sharing knowledge together. But my main advice is to study under the master and stay there for a long time until you got all his knowledge or the general overview for years, because that will give you a good foundation in order for you to teach, fight, and give you a solid structure to face anyone at any time. So regardless of what martial art you practice, that's my best advice for you. And share your stories. I like to hear them. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. God bless. Like Magino Mandirigma.